Hi, my warmest greetings from Barcelona. If you are familiar with basics of perspective, you did note that there is one problem with 2-point and 3-point perspective. This problem is a position of melting points. In 1-point perspective, melting point is always inside of your sketch, but with 2-point and 3-point perspective, situation is totally different. Neither of melting points is inside of your drawing. They are far away, somewhere in the air. How to deal with this issue? I found a very simple solution for this problem. If you want to dive a little deeper into the practice of perspective drawing, my perspective grid system will be very helpful. This system works for box-like objects with the shared melting points. It means all of them are placed like the house blocks on the boring regular street. All the front sides are parallel to each other. This system makes the work with 2-point and 3-point perspective much easier, and I'll explain how to apply it in practice step by step. All materials about perspective grid system you can find on my Patreon page. Patreon was meant as a platform for online schools, and I use it exactly for this purpose. For a symbolic price, you can get access to all materials for advanced level, including course about using perspective grid for 2-point and 3-point perspective. In materials of this course, you'll find not only videos, but additional explanations in PDF files too. The materials of perspective grid course might be found by first link in description to this video. See you on Patreon. Have a good time.